Hello everyone and welcome. This is the final update for a while. We come to the end of my days off from work and I wanted to show you the progress that we made in the roughly 13 days of work that I had. It's done. You already seen a lot of it because we have the drywall mounted on in most of the rooms already. But let me just show you a rundown of everything once more and the few updates there are plenty. Okay, so this is the big bedroom upstairs. It is fully complete and it is also right now drywall storage along with the doohickey that we use to put everything up, the drywall sheets on the ceiling, as well as all of the bits and bobs that were cut and left over. We're going down the hallway where we have the completed bathroom, which was the first one that was finished. The hallway that is, of course, has its own ceiling. The small bedroom, again with the ceiling. And as you may have guessed, we have the staircase fully covered in drywall sheets as well. Mounting those two up there was hard. Oh boy. I wish I could have filmed everything, but trust me, it's way too cramped in here with both me, my wife, the ladders, the pulleys, the things, everything that was needed to put that over there. But we did it, we mounted them. So yeah, it was a hassle, but it's there. It's not perfect, but there is another mudding step to come, as well as the fake ceiling for this bit as well, which is yet to come. But I need to get a few girders to do the tower roof as well, the tower ceiling as well, and have another girder over here along with a post down the middle coming from right over there all the way up into the ceiling to anchor everything, because we want another empty wall here. Instead of a railing, we're going to have some bars going up and down the entire length, the entire height of this mold corridor. And of course, I'm just going to climb a few steps and show you the finished tower as well, with all the drywall mounted. I haven't put in any of the sockets yet. It's pointless to do that at this point in time because we have another step of mudding and taping to do before we can paint it, and even then that step requires also not to have sockets mounted. Again, I said I'm going to order some more girders and then I'm going to mount the drywall on the ceiling here as well. I keep saying roof, I'm so tired. Okay, let's go all the way down the stairway because there has been more work there as well. Okay, as you can see, everything is done except for, again, that wall, which will have another fake wall completely, as well as up there where we have too many wires and they're not dug in. So I'm going to make another box up there as well. But the downstairs here is already covered in drywall along with the washing machine. It's gonna be there inside the cupboard. It's gonna look awesome. And even a little bit under the stairs. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, you can see it. It's under the stairs. That's all going to be covered, so it's not looking, but look at that stair just coming in and seeing that. Let's not catch the wall coming in and the electrical panel and coming in and seeing all that. Look how beautiful it is. Look how great it's gonna look when it's painted and everything. Lovely, absolutely lovely. It has been a blast of these past few days. I have let me just see me. All right, it's been a blast doing the work here. It's good to finally be done just in time because in 2 days I have to go back to work and I still get like 1 full day of rest. And I plan to just tidy up here. We plan to just tidy up here and go back to the apartment and take a breather for the last few hours that we have in my time off. Then Monday it's back to work. Regarding the Warhammer content, I have a few videos I haven't gotten to actually make. I have all the models prepped, ready to be filmed, to be ready, and then I still have to assemble a few more, which is what I will be focusing on going forward, as it will be a while before we're done. As you can see, this is not yet complete. I still have to do like the windowsills and a lot of details work around, but that's going to come during the weekends. So my work from home evenings have just cleared up. Right, I guess that's all the updates I have. So look forward to a bit more Warhammer content going forward, and some detail work around the house, but that's going to come in a few weeks, maybe. All right, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like what we did with everything. It's starting to look like an actual livable house, not just some random brick walls. And if you enjoyed it, please, you know the works. Subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with a friend. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next one.